So hi guys, I'm Minabelle and I'm 4 years old, and I'm gonna do marker challenge with 3 markers. 4 markers, so I don't know. So I have a fiber. Now let's draw. Yeah, but we're not drawing yet. You just have to close your eye. What's this mask? Too big. This one. Where's my marker? Yeah. Where's my nose? That one. That one's a bad one. I need pink, blue, green, brown, and purple. Mouse color. Mouse color. I need to lose this one for the one. Hi, is it purple? Let's see if it's purple. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna draw a triangle on a square. It's a box. You have to wait. Oh no. Yeah. French fry. It's purple French fry. I'm itchy. I also need blue. See blue. I'm making a cloud. There. I forgot the rain. Now it's green. Now green grass. That's my mouth to comb my mouth too. And so now I need it. Or yes. Green! You can look at these colors. I got green too. Color. That make that noise so silly. I'm gonna make this one fit with some flowers, of course. Ay. Almost done. Come on, let's get on. That's so hard, but it's cool to play. It's coming off. Phew. Oh, it's all done now. Now some pretty flowers. Yeah. Some pretty flowers. I'm gonna get my blue. Have some. My blue color. I just fell. Blue! Also, I need a blue for the clouds. Okay, now let's do it. Some flowers, a blue flower. It's so tiny. Two blue flowers. There. Two blue flowers. I almost fell, guys. I forgot to say something. I love you guys, and I also forget my ballerina and ninja class, and I also dream of ninjas. Ninja was Peyton and Ashton and Brighton, and also my daddy's car, and my mommy and and Eliana are not there, and so I'm gonna draw. Oh, I'm not needing blue now. I need a beep, beep. I never lose brown. I don't need brown.
Blue.
Brown. Only one. Nah, bad. Also need brown.
What color?
Brown. Brown. Brown is poo-poo. It looks like poo-poo. Look, it looks like skeleton head. Bloop, 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 bloop. Make it ugly. That's okay. Yeah. Just a big skeleton head. It goes in my nose. Guys, it goes in my nose. I'm gonna make a skeleton head. A broken eye. That's the eyelashes. That's a good one. That's a little baby one. She's like, I'm so high. I died. Baby girl one. Heart with a bubble. She's almost flying because she passed to the rain and passed to the surprise, and she almost she's gonna break the flower. So I also need green again because she died. She died with green. That's green in her face, so she get all messy. Sometimes she get all messy from the grass. Now I'm gonna write my name. I just already made tea. Don't on me. Put that trash. S, right? And A. A. Oh. That's A. Put that. know how to draw B. There. Pata! Where's right? Pata! B! I forgot B! E. I always draw E. My butt. My butt. L. 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 Eita! A. Okay, Y. And how to draw Y. Yay. A. No, B. I forgot. No, I forgot. Bella. Isabella. Isabella. Yay! Now I'm gonna draw something pretty. I'm gonna make something pretty. Guys can't look. Guys, you have to look at this drawing. I don't want you to like a surprise. And guys, look. A Valentine's Day heart. There's a Valentine's Day heart and a flower because I love you guys. Subscribe to my channel.